Hi, Paul Hefty here with the Triangle O football system. I want to show you how you can stack in the deep choice concept with a sprint and shoot pass doing what we call a tilt tracer technique. Let's take a look. So our sprint and shoot pass uses two phases to simplify it for the quarterback. He's going to go ahead and take a controlled sprint out where he can set up behind the play side tackle or continue to sprint to the edge to the front side. That's phase one. The Z receiver, the number one receiver, will run his deep choice tracer, but since we're sprinting that way, he's going to tilt on the stem of his route towards the sideline. That's the tilt tracer. The slot receiver now will go ahead and make the deep choice read, reading the corner over that number one. Same principle. If he can touch him, but now we're also looking to see where his hips are. If he's squared up so that his hips or backside is towards the end zone, then the A at 10 yards will go ahead and run a corner route behind him. Anything else, then he's also going to run the tilt tracer. This is where the quarterback is going to also read the cat, the corner. If he's got the Z, the number one, he'll take it all day. If he doesn't, then he's going to go ahead and go outside in looking for the A on the tilt tracer. But if, again, that corner is where he can touch the Z, the number one, and his hips are such so that his backside is the end zone, then he'll look for the corner over top. Phase two then is the backside, where we've got the H and the X running over routes over the linebackers and over to open grass. We can make an alert signal which tells that quarterback now he's still going to read the corner off the first two steps. If he's got that number one Z receiver on the tilt tracer, he'll just take it all day. But if not, wide open, if there's any type of maybe there, then he's going to go ahead and set up behind that play side tackle and look for the H to the X on the over routes. So here it is from our 2x2 set. You can see we're running sprint to the right. We're going to incorporate those deep choice concepts where we're going to read the corner over the Z receiver. Again, if he cannot touch the Z or if his hips are now pointed towards the sideline, then we're going to look to throw to the Z all day. Once the corner can touch the Z and his backside is towards the end zone, then we'll look for the corner route by the slot or the A receiver. If not, any type of maybes, the slot will also run the tilt tracer and will go outside in to the over routes. It's great to run from a stack set, our ace formation. Again, is where our rule is with all stack sets. The Z will burst or spray to the outside, still running the tilt tracer. Read stays all the same on the corner, looking outside in or low to high to the over routes backside. Last, if we run it from a 3x1, real simple, the H now, since he's on the front side, we'll do what we call an front side over route. He's going to go ahead and get to 12 yards and tilt also, but then go ahead and run over that Sam linebacker to open grass just like he would from the backside. Read progression all stays the same for the quarterback and for the receivers otherwise. And you can see now we've got a simple way to stack and incorporate our deep choice principles into a sprint out blitz beating concept. Thanks.